In this video, we will show you how to create folders on your iPhone. First, press and hold the icon of the first app you would like to add to the folder. The option to edit home screen will appear. Choose that. All of your app icons should start to shake with a small minus sign in the upper left-hand corner of each. Now, press and hold the app icon again, and drag it over to another app you would like to put in the same folder. Hovering one icon over another will create a new folder with both apps inside. The folder will automatically be named by your iPhone based on the type of apps you put together. You can change the name of the folder in a similar way to how you created a folder. While inside the folder, press and hold an app icon until Edit Home Screen appears. Choose that again. The apps will begin to shake with a small minus sign in the corner. You can now change the title of your folder to whatever you like.